Right now I'm going to show you how to use the hose attachment with the Bissell Revolution. So on the head of the cleaner, there is a little door. You're going to flip that open. So it's like a little latch or a lid. It opens towards the cleaner. So go ahead and flip that open, and then you want to grab your hose attachment tool. You get this little goodie bag with your machine, so pull the hose out of there, and then you're going to want to line it up and press it down into place. So there is this little nozzle here. That's how you get water to the tool, so you do want to make sure that that lines up correctly. You also have that red locking latch on front, and that is going to face out. So just go ahead and line it up, press it down. It does click and lock into place, and then you want to pick whatever cleaning attachment that you want to use. So in my case, I got these two. Now it depends on the model. You might get some different tools. This one is kind of a 2-in-1. It does dry stuff as a vacuum, that everything gets collected in that little canister there, but then you can also use it as a traditional wet scrubbing tool, so you can spray water and cleaning solution, and then you do have another extraction nozzle that works much like the other scrub tools. You'll line it up. Of course, there is that little spray nozzle there. You do want to make sure that that lines up with the tool that you're using. Press it into place. It does click and latch into place. Then on the top of the handle, there is a little press button. You'll push that down, and that will release the tool that you're using. Go ahead and pull it off and pick whatever tool is best for you. In this case, I'm going to use the traditional scrub tool here. Put that on the end of the hose here. Now when I press and pull that trigger, water and cleaning solution will spray out of that nozzle. You'll want to fill up your cleaner as normal with water and cleaning solution. You'll have it in the upright position, and then you will power it on. Once it's powered on, you can press and pull that trigger, and it will spray water and cleaning solution out of the nozzle that I just showed you. In some cases, it does take a second to prime, so maybe pull and hold that trigger for a couple seconds. If water doesn't come out of there immediately, it should start to flow within a few seconds. Now, once you've saturated the area a little bit, you want to release the trigger to stop the spray, and then you want to scrub that stain a little bit. This will get the cleaner into the fibers of the carpet to help it break down the stain. Then you want to start your extraction phase, so tilt the nozzle a little bit. This will make better contact with the fabric or area that you're cleaning, and pull it over the area, and it will suck up the water and cleaning solution that you just sprayed. Now you can just simply repeat this process. You'll spray, you'll scrub, you'll extract until you're satisfied with how clean your area is becoming. And then you're just going to continue that as needed. So you'll spray, you'll scrub, you'll extract. Now in my experience, 3 is the magic number. So I'll do that 3 times where I spray it down, I scrub it, and then I extract. But you really just need to play it by ear. Some stains are worse than others, so just use your best judgment. And then when you're satisfied, you are all done, you can go ahead and turn the machine off, remove the hose, and pack everything back up. Now, I do have a complete tutorial on how to use this machine step by step where I go through the entire process. This video is really just to highlight the hose cleaning attachment. Now, the cool thing is you can use this attachment for lots of different materials: couches, car seats, chairs, area rugs, mattresses. You just want to check the tag on whatever you're cleaning and make sure that it can be spot cleaned. Now, if you do want to watch that complete tutorial, you should check out that video next, and it goes over everything you need to know on how to use this upright carpet cleaner.